Taking my dogs to Banff, Canada has always been my dream. And after 5 days of long driving, we are finally here. We want to share with you things that we did with our dogs during our 6 days in Banff National Park. The first thing we did was hiking the Lake Agnes trail at Lake Louise. Toby was super excited to go on his first long hike. As soon as the boys saw Mirror Lake, they almost ran towards it. They also saw big horse friends for the first time on their way up. After an hour and a half of hiking, this beautiful view was waiting for us. We had some photo time and the boys did happy dances. The view was even more stunning on our way down. Charlie wanted to take some photos of him looking at Lake Louise before he headed to the hotel, so we took some photos. When we got to the hotel, a little gift was waiting for the dogs in our room. It had an information card, a pet tag, and a cookie. And of course, the boys loved it.
It's like XO. Good boys. You crushed it.
We also enjoyed Lake Louise in the evening. It was definitely less crowded. The next morning, we woke up at 4 a.m. to go to Moraine Lake for a sunrise. It was a long wait in the dark, but it was also the most memorable experience we had during our trip. On our way down, Charlie wanted to jump into Moraine Lake so badly, so we had to let them go. But Charlie insisted on going into the lake again, so Toby had to wait for him. After lunch, we drove Columbia Icefield Parkway to go up to Athabasca Glaciers. After, we went to the toe of the Athabasca Glacier Trail, which we planned to hike in the first place. Here, you can see the huge glaciers up front. Charlie was too tired at this point and he refused to go down the trail. So Dad had to go down to the parking lot to get his harness, and the boys waited at the top playing with the wood stick. We stayed at the Saskatchewan River crossing for the night, and the next day we went to see Peyto Lake on our way down to Banff.
We are at the Peyto Lake, but it's raining a lot, so we're waiting in the car.
But it started raining hard, so we had to change our plan and went straight to Banff to spend the rest of our day. Downtown Banff is very dog friendly. You can easily find water for your dogs, and most restaurants have a dog friendly patio.
Stay. 아이스크림 먹으러 가자. 토비 아이스크림 먹으러 가는데 지금.
The next day, he was all recovered and ready to go for another adventure.
수영하러 갈까? 공원? 공원 가고 싶으면 스틱? 아빠 기다리고 가자. 아빠 데리고 갈까? 아빠 놓고 갈까? 아빠 데리고 가고 싶으면 스틱? 아빠 놓고 가고 싶으면 스픽. 아빠 놓고 가. 아빠 너무 느려서 놓고 갔으면 좋겠어.
Luckily, the rain has stopped, so we drove back to see Peyto Lake, which we missed previously. In the afternoon, we went to Lake Minnewanka to spend time swimming and playing. And the best way to end the day is to have ice cream. Charlie had too much fun and he refused to leave.
집에 가서 밥 먹자. 응? 자, 집에 가서 맛있는 거 먹을까?